Boy, was y'all wrong. Okay, not all of you. So, about a week ago, I posted a short. It wasn't really short, but it was that vertical content, right? Where I took 2 pair of sneakers of the Jordan white cements. Yeah, bruh. These 4s got a lot of y'all all the way jacked up, bruh. And I did this as a social experiment just to see how many people would really spot the real for real and a fake from a fake. Now, I got the retail pair that I got from Sneakers. Oh, actually, I didn't. Not Sneakers. DTLR. That's where I got them from. DTLR. Got them on a restock when they scooped them up, came back, did my review video on them, and reached out to a UA vendor to do another video like this. I did not purchase this. I did this for this pair of sneakers so I could again demonstrate real versus fake. I do not condone buying UAs. I myself do not wear UAs. I do not purchase UAs. I do this for educational purposes because sometimes you just gotta do it, bruh. Now I'm gonna quit all the bullshit and get straight to the point. So we had sneaker A, which was this one, right? And I ain't pulling no tomfoolery here. This is sneaker B. Now, Money Matt, you say, which one was the real one? So, where's my phone? Let's get to the comments on this reel. So let me get into here. Let's go to content. Yeah, bro, this was a good social experiment. I like it. I had fun doing this one. I had fun paying attention in the comments, which I do anyway, right? So, right off the rip, someone said, A's are fakes. The tissue paper in the box doesn't have splatter. I myself didn't even notice that. So, this is sneaker A. And we're gonna dig into here and see. Actually, it did have splatter. Sneaker A did have splatter on the tissue paper. You probably couldn't see that. You probably can't see that in this video either. There we go. So sneaker A did in fact have splatter. I think what they seen was this, and I don't know, this was in the bottom of the box, right? Okay, let's go to the next comment. It's sneaker B, is what this user said. Why, my friend, did you say sneaker B was fake? No reason, just said sneaker B is a fake. The next comment, sneaker B is a fake, too much splatter, and I didn't see widow's peaks. So, let's take a look at them. This is sneaker B. Let's open it up. All right. Okay, there in fact is a widow's peak on, I can't get it to focus. Come on, camera. I'm trying to find my face, bro. Whatever. I see a widow's peak on here. I'll throw some B-roll up so you guys see it. What was the other thing? Too much splatter. Too much splatter on this sneaker. Sneaker B. All right. Next comment. Before you even open them, the one on the right, which was sneaker B, with the bigger box are the reps. Rep boxes are always bigger slightly. LOL. Cool, right? Let's go to here, the person who responded under that, wrong. Nike gives the biggest boxes. Reps have the smaller boxes. All right, box B. Okay, LOL. We're not gonna drag this out too long. I just wanted to see and go through the comments to see, you know, what I was, so you guys can see what I was getting. A's are the fakes. Stitching on the back is way off. And when I put them on my feet, they lean like cardboard. That was funny. All right, another user posted, Sneaker B is the Wookiee. I appreciate that one because I'm a Star Wars fan, and if you don't know, Wookiee is, Chewbacca. Cool. I like that one. All right, so Sneaker B on that one. Sneaker A is the UA, less speckles, but you can fix that though, which is the same thing my son said. He was like, yeah, it has less speckles, but you can fix that. So did I just give it away? I think I did. Add your own speckles. Another user, A all day. Another user, A all day. That's what the comments said, right? Cool. All right. So time for the review, right? And if you are a subscriber on the channel and you checked out my white cement review, this was probably easy for you anyway, because I reviewed the white cement, the real pair, way before I even got the UA pair. So Sneaker B was the real pair that was obtained from DTLR on a restock. Yes, it does have a lot of speckle on this shoe. Yes, it does. It does have a widow's peak. It does. It does have a slightly, to the naked eye, you wouldn't be able to see it, but it does slightly have a smaller box. Now, the gray on the UA pair, the cement is a little off. So I'm gonna get some better footage for you guys to see here so you can see exactly what I'm talking about with them being side by side, because my camera playing games today, and yeah, we're gonna have to get you guys some better close-up footage because they don't want to focus today for whatever reason. But a lot of speckle, Sneaker B, real. Little speckle, shade off on the cement. It's a little lighter, the rep, right? All right, now that we got that established, let's talk about how they both feel. For me, the rep actually felt better to me than the retail pair, which is kinda in line with what I noticed with the, which ones did I do another review on? The SB4 Navies. Did a review on the real and fake versus those. Those were done, executed very well, but the reps felt a little bit better. They did, however, make a lot more noise on the soles than the retail pair. With the white cements, I didn't have that issue. I didn't squeak my way through the house with this pair. Can you really feel that the leather is a little different? No. But it does feel like this one had a little more padding in it, which was cool for me. It didn't feel bulky, but it did have a little more padding. It felt a little better on my foot than the retail pair. And don't get me wrong, the retail pair is freaking amazing. It's good to go in my book. But the UA pair did feel better. Now that we got that all out the way, I did that social experiment to kind of prove a point that you sometimes the mistakes or the design choices, design materials, the fit, the feel, the shape of the shoe, those things are obvious sometimes. Nike's QA is not the greatest. So sometimes we will not be able to spot a fake unless you made the shoe yourself. I'm just saying. I keep it real, man, because that's what I get paid. Wait a minute, a little bit to do. In order to get paid, you gotta hit the like button and comment on this video so more people can see it, and then go back and watch the reel so we can continue to grow. I'm so close to 10,000 subs, bro. So close. So if you're watching this and you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so, because we do some very interesting shit here on the set, and I like you to be a part of the set crew. I do appreciate everything you guys, that my loyal followers that watch every video that I post, even if it don't make no damn sense, they watch it anyway. I appreciate you. But this was just something fun that I wanted to do to show that you might be wrong in your assumptions sometimes when you think that a shoe is fake. And that's how I think that StockX and GOAT, I don't really buy sneakers from there, because you never know where you're gonna get, depending on which authenticator you get that day. That's all I got, man. I already begged you to like and subscribe. I'm gonna beg you one more time to hit that notification bell. Just hit the bell, man. It don't cost you a thing to hit the ding, bro. I'm Money Matt, folks. I'm gonna get on out of here. Look forward to your comments in the comment section to discuss what we got going on here with these two pair of sneakers, one real and one fake. Now that you know sneaker B was the real sneaker, let me know in the comment section what you think about that. I'm Money Matt, and I'm gonna get on out of here, man, and go do something important the rest of my day, as you should as well. Peace.